Ever wondered how some people seem to have more money than they let on? It's not just about what meets the eye. In fact, historical databases reveal a startling truth. Appearances can be deceiving when it comes to wealth. Many of us fall into the trap of judging someone's financial status solely by their visible possessions. By understanding these signs, you'll gain a new perspective on wealth assessment and learn how to avoid costly assumptions. This awareness will empower you to make smarter financial decisions and perhaps even rethink your approach to wealth building. Let's get quickly started. Number 1. They stay calm about money, even when others panic. Ever noticed how some people remain cool as a cucumber even when the medical bill or economy takes a hit? Wealthy individuals don't just have cash. They have financial strategies that protect them from crises. Meanwhile, most people live drowning in debt, and when the slightest financial hiccup occurs, they spiral into panic mode. Don't let one paycheck control your life. Investments, side businesses, and passive income keep you financially secure. Build wealth by focusing on risk management, ensuring you never had to panic over a sudden emergency expense or market crash. Number 2. They don't show off, but everything they own screams quality. Ever seen someone wearing a plain t-shirt driving a modest car, but somehow everything about them feels expensive? That's because truly wealthy people don't need to flaunt their money. They let quality speak for itself. Thomas J. Stanley's The Millionaire Next Door revealed that most millionaires live in average neighborhoods, wear simple clothes, but invest in durability and timeless value. Meanwhile, the ones who flex luxury brands often aren't as rich as they appear. The difference? One buys for longevity, the other buys for validation. Confusing looking rich with being rich. They chase flashy brands, pile up debt to impress others, and wonder why they're broke by the end of the month. Focus on value, not branding. Wealthy people buy quality that lasts, not trends that fade. Adopt a silent wealth mindset. True financial security isn't about showing off. It's about never having to worry. Number 3. They value privacy over showing off. Truly rich people don't crave attention. They don't need to prove their wealth because they're focused on freedom, security, and peace. Think about billionaires like Warren Buffett. He lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. Meanwhile, many middle-class people go broke trying to look rich. They rarely post about money or luxury on social media, have private investments and trusts instead of public financial statements, and they prioritize freedom over material excess. Want to build real wealth? Stay low-key and let your assets grow in silence. Number 4. They have nothing to prove, yet everything to show. From The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel shows that wealthy individuals prioritize freedom over flexing. Meanwhile, most people chase status, overspend on designer brands, luxury cars, and exotic vacations, not for themselves but for social validation. Ironically, the ones who try hardest to look rich are often struggling the most behind the scenes. Detach wealth from status. Money buys freedom, not admiration. Impress yourself, not others. Invest in financial security first. Focus on savings, investments, and assets before luxury. Number 5. They have unusual but smart money habits. Like, they use credit cards strategically for rewards but never carry debt. They negotiate everything, from business deals to everyday expenses. The average person spends every dollar they earn. The rich follow habits that seem unusual but make perfect sense in the long run. Automate your finances. Set up automatic investments, savings, and debt payments to build wealth effortlessly. Question every purchase. Ask, will this make me richer in 5 years? If not, reconsider. Next time you see someone living simply but quietly accumulating wealth, remember, real money moves in silence. Number 6. They're well connected but not in an obvious way. Think about the richest people. They don't waste time with the wrong crowd. They build powerful networks. They surround themselves with business owners, investors, and mentors. They attend exclusive events, mastermind groups, and private gatherings. A Harvard study found that your income is directly correlated to the 5 people you spend the most time with. Want to build wealth? Upgrade your network. Surround yourself with winners. Number 7. They rarely make emotional money decisions. Wealthy people don't let emotions dictate their financial choices. They make decisions based on logic, strategy, and long-term vision. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that emotional spending is one of the biggest wealth killers, yet most people fall for it daily. They buy expensive cars to impress others, panic sell investments when the market dips, or make impulse purchases to feel better. The result? A lifetime of financial instability, stress, and regret. Meanwhile, the rich remain calm during market crashes, negotiate deals with patience, and only spend when it aligns with their bigger financial goals. Next time you feel tempted to make an impulse buy or sell an investment out of fear, remember, the rich play chess while the broke play checkers. Number 8. They prioritize health and longevity. If someone truly has wealth, they don't just invest in money. They invest in health and energy. Tim Ferriss writes in The 4-Hour Body, "Your health is your greatest wealth." The wealthiest individuals understand that without health, no amount of money matters. Take the example of Richard Branson, who at 70 still prioritizes fitness and adventure. Yet, most people overlook this, choosing convenience and instant gratification over long-term well-being. They eat unhealthy foods, neglect exercise, and ignore the importance of sleep, thinking it's something they can fix later. But that later never comes, and before they know it, poor health becomes their most expensive liability. Number 9. They focus on long-term wealth, not just income. True wealth isn't about the money you make in the moment, it's about what you build over time. Most people fixate on the income they bring in every month, thinking that more pay means more wealth. They'll work hard for their salary, but they never think about how to make that money work for them. The wealthy focus on building assets, real estate, investments, and businesses that pay them long after the workday ends. Focusing solely on income rather than wealth building. Look at someone working a high-paying job with little to show for it, living paycheck to paycheck because they've neglected to save or invest. Tell me, will you focus on building wealth that lasts, or will you continue to chase short-term income with no lasting results? Number 10. They spend more on experiences than material things. The truly wealthy know that experiences hold far greater value than any material item. In The Art of Happiness, Dalai Lama writes, "Wealth is not the things you own, but the joy and contentment you find in your life." The wealthy focus on experiences that enrich their lives, traveling the world, attending exclusive events, or spending quality time with loved ones. These experiences not only bring joy but create lasting memories and connections that hold true value. Consider someone who buys a new car every year, but never takes time to travel or experience life beyond the surface. Meanwhile, someone with a modest lifestyle might prioritize adventures, personal growth, and shared moments with family. The result is a life filled with stuff, but lacking in the depth of experiences that truly contribute to long-term joy and well-being. The truly wealthy don't chase status. They build quiet, lasting financial power. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Remember, wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about being rich. Start applying these lessons today. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.